1, go!
Welcome to match number 10 here at SunDome, and some Blue Alliance machines fighting each other for fuel in the neutral zone to start things off in autonomous before they race back to the Blue Alliance zone, in theory to pick up as many points as they can, but then everything just kind of stops. That was anticlimactic. Red Alliance side of the field, some human player basketball coming over the Alliance wall to help pick up whatever score they can, and your score 14-5 favoring Blue as drivers now take control. Zippy little drive base over here of the Red Alliance machine of Lion's Bite, looking to scatter the fuel. One, make it more difficult for the Blue Alliance machines to pick up, and two, bring it over the bump into the Red Alliance zone for either their Alliance partners here, Robotics, to pick up and use, or to just push it through the Alliance wall for their human players to make use of. Lots of interesting strategic decisions to make in this game about what fuel do you keep for the robots versus what do you pass through the wall for your human players to make use of. We've seen some prolific human players scoring at some other events. We'll see how the balance of things shakes out here. Minute and a half left to play. Blue Alliance is up 39-11, and they just continue to pelt the goal here in shift number 2. Aimbot out of Hillsborough, Portland area there, scooping up point after point after point after point of fuel, and we'll shift our attention back over to red. Here's Robotics now with a relatively full hopper, but they got to actually send said fuel somewhere. There we go. They line up. Takes them a minute to figure out where they would like to send it. They line up for about an 80% accuracy cycle, and the shift over here on red will come to a close. Back to blue for their last exclusive cycle of the teleoperated period before our end game period. Relatively quiet. A few pieces of fuel here and there. Here comes Stormbots to try and make a little bit more thunder, if you will. 7 seconds left before our end game period. They've picked up maybe a dozen or two pieces of fuel. 90 points on the board in total for blue so far, 86 of that from fuel, and so they will need 14 more pieces of fuel scored in the Blue Alliance hub to secure the energized bonus ranking point. They've now secured that, and onwards they will continue. Red Alliance looking to put up just whatever points they can on the board here late in the match. 10 seconds left. Robotics picking up. Well, they've got maybe 10 pieces of fuel in their hopper. Can they do anything with it before the match expires? Stormbot's there with a barrage of about 20 to close out the match. Live score showing 127 for them. We'll see where their final score shakes out and get a result for match 10 to you here shortly. Match 10 is accounted for. It's a Blue Alliance victory, 134 points to the Red Alliance's 50. 4 ranking points for each of the Blue Alliance teams, continuing that trend of winning alliances with 4 RP. We'll be right back with match 11 in just a few moments.